to the channel. Today we got another video on the GLI. We installed a JB4 today. Well, my buddy installed it. I'm just going along for the ride, so we're going to see how much of a difference it makes with all the different maps. So I got my Honda over there, it's got the JB4. Now we got another one with a JB4, so we're going to see what kind of a difference this car makes. So we'll go over under the hood real quick, just a couple of pointers. I'm not going to go over the whole installation process because it's pretty straightforward, but we'll just go over what's a little more complicated or questionable. So let's flip the camera around and we'll go. Here's the basic installation. You're going to be hiding your JB4 behind the battery, so you'll have to remove the battery to do this. Here's your wires here. You're going to be tapping a wire right here, and make sure you tap the white wire for the 19 GLIs. Some cars it's a red wire. If you can see, I don't want to start messing up the wiring, it's neat. It's a white wire you're tapping here. This goes back into the JB4. He just used a little flume over it. This is the factory one. He covered it up to make it look neat. There's the wire tap. Then you're gonna have the sensor over here. Pull the engine cover up. This is one of your JB4 wires. He ran it under the intake tube over here just to keep it as neat as possible. Ran it under here, popped it out there. You have this sensor, just for reference, the front of the car. The sensor's right here under the engine cover. Then you have your other sensor right here, and that's the JB4 connector. That's the factory sensor. And then you have the other sensor, which is all the way down here. They recommend you do it from underneath, but by the time you get all the tools out to do it, you're better off just trying to put your hand down in there, and he was able to get to it without any tools, so that's up to you. So either go under the car or you can finagle it from over here. So that's the basic installation. If you have any questions, always comment. You know, I'll see if I can answer to the best of my ability. And we're gonna take it for a ride now, and we'll see how it is. See his honest raw impression, because we didn't drive it with any of the maps on right now. So here we go. Forgot. The OBD2 goes through the firewall down here somewhere. The battery's probably blocked in the spot that he went through. And it comes out through the footwell where any other OBD2 would be, and plugs in right there. Right there. Alright, so we're going to take it for a ride, see what this thing can do. So the car's in map 0 right now. It's in stock form. Go ahead. We're just going to do a quick pull so you can see how it accelerates. Right now we're showing about 16 pounds of boost. Stock. Well, now it went down. It was showing about 15, 16 pounds of boost, and I saw it hit 17 at one point. So that was a stock pull. Just trying to give you guys an idea of how it works. We're going to run map 1 now. So just 2 double tap. Press map 1. Sorry, my finger was in the way. And now we're in map 1. So let's get an honest review, and we'll get the gauges after. We're at a light right now. Alright. Gas light came on. So do you feel a difference?
Yeah,
I heard it spin a little bit. Yeah, so that normally doesn't do.
Need to get gas.
Yeah, time for some gas. So lay into it a little bit so we can see what kind of boost we're making. All right, it's saying 20 pounds of boost. 19, 18 as it gets up top. Yeah, it's moving pretty good. Definitely moving pretty good. So, and we're running 93 octane right now. I guess you want to test out map 2?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
See how map 2 feels. All right, so we're now in map 2. Waiting to get some space. Oh yeah. Definitely a difference. I glanced over, couldn't show you, it was showing about 21 pounds of boost right there. But I'll get a shot of that in a minute. Alright, let's see the boost for map 2. There's your boost right there. Go ahead. Let's pulling pretty good. It's 21.4, 21.7. Not bad. The car's pulling. Definitely moving.
Yeah,
I'm pretty impressed.
It actually pulls pretty good.
It does. I'm definitely impressed. I have a feeling this might end up being faster than my Honda. We'll see. We'll have to make some more videos of that. Stock for stock and JB4 for JB4. We'll see how it goes. So we'll do...
Try map 3.
Yeah, I say we try map 3. See how that goes. So double tap it, and that's map 3. Okay, we got a little room. And here we go. Nice. Showing 22 and change 23 for that pull. Moving pretty good. Although I honestly felt map 2 hit a little harder than map 3. Right?
I felt a little bit like...
Yeah, it did show a slightly higher boost, but I honestly felt that map 2 hit a little harder. But we got to try it again. We're also... IATs are at 152, so the car is getting warm. These are back-to-back pulls. So, trying to... So this is map 3. Yeah, definitely showing a higher boost number, that's for sure. Map 3 launch control. Okay. Definitely boogies. Hey guys, so that was the 19 GLI with the JB4. Definitely good. I'm definitely impressed. Car moves. Me and him are gonna have to race now. We're gonna have to see if the Honda or the Volkswagen is actually, which one's quicker. But if you want to check out his car on Instagram, his tag is, or username is Bagpearl GLI. I'll put it in the description. I'll see if I can put it over here somewhere. So Bagpearl GLI is his name. Got my Accord over there, so we're gonna have to run them one of these days. We'll run them stock, so we'll see stock for stock how they go, and then I'll run my highest map. He'll run his highest map, and we'll take it from there. We'll see which car's quicker. So this is the GLI with the JB4. Sitting pretty. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next time.